Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. So today, as we can see guys, as I told you, we have to always be secured and to wait and think what it might happen, of course. And as you can see, a reversal for the market here is showing, of course, higher prices, taking the confirmation for higher here by taking the high, and potentially, yes, this is a 1-2 wave 3 4 and a 5 unfolding here. And as I mentioned, because of course it is true that this is a shy impulse toward the upside with a very shy wave 3 and even wave 5, because the wave 3 is very shallow, and also the same for the wave 5, but still can count as 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, 5 waves internally. So as I mentioned, of course, once you take this high here, it is a confirmation that you move for higher. And this is exactly what we got, guys. So yeah, we have to be careful always step by step. The market is very tricky always. And yeah, it's not gonna be that easy. So that's why we always go step by step, even if we invalidate something before I retest it later on, because yeah, that is always a possibility to come back. And here we go. We're coming back for the market here, and it looks like, guys, that a minimum you might looking at right now, potential zigzag, potential bigger corrective wave here. Well, possible. So I'm gonna take right now the chance, of course, for the 1-to-1 fib level first, to see, of course, what it might happen at the 23k 570. It might be, of course, here. If this is still an impulse toward the downside, it might be an A, B, and a C here for a wave B, and then moving towards the downside later on, just winning more time, of course, here for the market can be a potential scenario, meaning this wave V might, of course, shift to this area. The same for wave 2. It can be, of course, this is a possible wave 1 right now. And yeah, I would like to also add potential A, B, and a C as well, and to finish a wave B. So yeah, this is exactly what we were talking about. And here we go. So we got, of course, this level. We have tested them. And we start, of course, to see what it might happen. And by the way, more evidence here is invalidation of bullish was not taken. Yeah, so we didn't saw any invalidation for the bullish, meaning of course you're still looking for higher. Yeah, and here we go. It moves up. Yep. So that is regarding Nasdaq. And if we take a look at the US 500, yeah, the same thing. Confirmation for higher, and was exactly my point in the live stream today. And that because, of course, I already saw this potential has higher possibility for today. Again, of course, since it is taken, we can right now lay down, of course, this wave 1-to-1 as well. It can be, guys, in a wave B higher, right? A wave 2 even higher, very possible. In a regular flat, of course, if you are 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1 2 3 4 5, or if we overshoot it, therefore we are bullish. The same for Nasdaq applying here. Higher possibility is, of course, that we might have an ABC right now. I'm not yet, of course, bullish, but because yeah, there is a space, there is a capacity for an ABC, for a large one. That's why, guys, and the possibility is there. Here we go. So we might reach, of course, as a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 over there. Yep, so these are the possibilities right now. And of course, we're gonna check step by step, guys. Now, what I prefer to see in both case scenario for SPX and Nasdaq is breaking the high. By the way, Nasdaq, I think we already did. No, not yet. So much more confirmation that we are moving for higher here is, of course, taking the high. Even I would add here confirmation for even higher. Yeah, taking this. Meaning, of course, it might be wave 3, 4, and a 5 continuation for higher. Same for SPX, for US 500. Here we go. So yes, confirmation for higher as well. Okay. This one has been taken, and we saw, of course, higher prices. So yeah, that was it, guys. And trade safe. I hope that you got the thing today. And I think it's a good trade at the end. It's also a good trade. I mean, we didn't took the invalidation of bullish. We were higher potential, still of course looking for for a little bit higher here. It doesn't have to be bullish. It can be still corrective, guys, and moving down later on just to win some time, because of course we need of course more time until of course we finish this wave 4 or wave 2 for Nasdaq. And by the way, this is much better rather than moving very massively and impulsively towards the downside. Okay, this is less I would say risky for the whole market, for the whole economy, I would say. All right, so that was it for Nasdaq and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.